You know, I remember a time when I was a little liberal kid voting for Bernie in the primaries, not wanting anybody to own a gun. I cared about how tight my pants were. I wore skinny jeans, probably because I was liberal. And as I got some guns, I realized that to conceal carry, you gotta wear baggier pants. So, hence why I'm reviewing this tack belt, Jukmo tack belt. I got it on Amazon for 20 bucks. It got a lot of good reviews. And I figured, what the hell, 20 bucks? Let's see how it goes. So, this is it. I got the medium size. I'm watching my figure, trying to keep it slim. So, right off the bat, it's sturdy. You can give someone some good lashings with this thing. You know, it doesn't collapse on itself. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this on with one magazine clip and a holster. This is just a Glock. I think it's a T-Rex holster, I think. But anyways, let's put it on and see how it feels with the draw. All right. So the one thing I'll say is, I don't have a necessarily very slim waist, but I got a medium and there's a lot of room to give. Obviously, you know, the more accessories you put on there, you know, you might need a bit more length, but I think these are definitely sized large, which is good. You'll never run out of space. Let's see how this goes. So pull it through, get it nice and tight, press it down, it's clamped, it's great. Let's see if this will pass back through. It does pass back through, great. All right. So right off the bat, it just feels super, it's on there. Like my pants aren't coming down. The key is a little draw test. Okay, let's give it a shot. So I think I could tighten it. And the belt itself has got a bit of give, which is great, but not too much. See, it's got some give in there, but it's not like, you know, super elastic or anything like that, obviously. All right, let's try that again. Now I get it on pretty tight, pretty damn tight here. Yeah, so it's not going anywhere. I think this is a great belt. I mean, for 20 bucks, you can find tack belts that cost more than this, that may be better quality, but I don't know, you know, what other reason you'd have to spend more than 20 bucks for this tack belts. Plus, like I said, it looks pretty cool. Now, if you want to take it off pretty quickly too, it clamps out from the center. So that way, you know, if you have your accessories, if it passes through your loop belts, you can keep the accessories on the belt and not have to put them back on every single time, which is super convenient. So that's another one. Just gotta make sure it snaps right back in. It kind of feels like Batman's utility belt, so that's pretty sweet too. All right, that's it, guys. Until next one, I'll see you later. Oh, wait, you gotta do all that shit, like and subscribe. Oh, and comment. Tell me if you were ever a skinny jean wearing liberal who voted for Bernie in the primaries. Sorry, we all change, we all live, we all learn, we all grow. Till next time, peace.